Hello learners, welcome to section 6 of unit 5, traditional assessment versus authentic assessment. In the previous section we look at advantages and disadvantages of authentic assessment. In this section we are looking at the difference between the two, traditional assessments and authentic assessment. By the end of this session you will be able to explain any 4 differences between traditional test and authentic assessment. Let's look at traditional assessment. Traditional assessments are tests taken with paper and pencil that are usually multiple choice, matching, or true or false. These assessments are easy to grade and only test lower level thinking skills. However, authentic assessment usually tests higher level scores. So that is basically the two. Don't forget about the learning scores. Have higher order and the lower order using the Bloom's taxonomy. So these are the main differences of authentic and traditional assessment. For traditional assessment, students select a response, whilst authentic assessment, students perform a task. Traditional assessment is contrived, whilst it depicts real life situations as far as authentic assessment is concerned. Also, traditional assessment involves recall and recognition of knowledge, but for authentic assessment, it involves construction and application of knowledge, that is higher order skills. Also, the fourth one for traditional assessment is a teacher structured, whilst authentic assessment is student structured. For traditional, teacher will structure everything and then give to the student to select, but for the authentic assessment, everything is student-centered. Traditional assessment focuses on scores and achievement. However, authentic assessment focuses on demonstration of scores and knowledge. So we continue. I have a number of them here, which is you can do it yourself. You can do, for instance, the sixth one, it is prone to garrison and promote rote learning. That is traditional assessment. Authentic assessment involves sharing of ideas and understanding of concepts. So you can find a lot of them. So we have a number of them here. Traditional assessment, authentic assessment. For the traditional assessment, it makes teachers authority, whilst authentic assessment makes students authority. It is quick to administer, that is traditional assessment, but authentic assessment is actually time consuming. I've already mentioned that. The last one, it restricts the learner in doing what he knows. That is traditional. I set objective questions, I ask you to select the one that is best, so based on what I want you to do. But unlike the authentic assessment, which gives freedom to the learner to display what he knows, and that is very, very important. So in this session, we've looked at the differences between traditional assessment and also authentic assessment. Find more in your course material and also in other books or internet.